Daniel Thomas Andrew Daly here. Okay. Daniel here. Okay. Now this is uh, not quite a sermon, more of a not even a lecture really, just a presentation, a discussion, I suppose, or discussion really. Karaite Noahide faith is the official institution of world society. Karaite Noahide faith is the official institution of world society. Okay. Now, it's not the cross. It's not the crescent. It's not Christianity, and it's not Islam. They're not the official institution. The Trinity notion of the Creator is not quite right. It's not right. He's a unitary being. He's not a Trinity. That's a false doctrine. The deification of Jesus of Nazareth is idolatry. It's a sin. Now, Catholicism is doing a reasonably good job of being sort of an official enough world religion. And so is Christianity in general as a whole thing. But in the end, it's actually a particular religion. It's a religious body. It's not mankind's official institution. There are people who are following a strand of doctrinal teaching which came from Jesus and the apostles, and they're actually just a religion, a spiritual organization with its own views on life. It's not the official institution for mankind. Technically, they don't really claim to be in a lot of ways. They claim to be a called separate people in some ways, for salvation according to their faith. But be that as it may, it's not actually going to end up ruling the world. It's just popular with a lot of people. It's not the official institution for mankind. Now, the United Nations is technically secular. It's not the official institution either. The official institution is a biblical faith which applies to mankind. The Talmudic era ascribes the seven laws historically to the foundation of the faith community. It's a false doctrine. It was developed by the Pharisees. They are in error on that particular doctrinal viewpoint. And because of this, the Talmudic Noahide movement as a whole, which the rabbis like to think is their mankind's thing, it's not really. It's the scriptures, the Rainbow Torah, from creation to Babel. That's the official institution of spiritual constitution for mankind. That's the official teaching. It's the Bible. It's not the Talmud. It's not the New Testament. It's the Hebrew Bible, which is the official institution of religious law, L-O-R-E, and law, L-A-W, for mankind. That's the basis of the book, and that forms the community of the official institution of mankind. So Karaite Noahide faith, the Rainbow Covenant faith from the Bible, is the official institution of mankind's knowledge and society. We're mankind. We are officially mankind, our community. Judaism is a priest with a covenanted land in the Middle East. He's a priest. Exodus 19 is the kingdom of priests. He has a job as a priest serving God. It doesn't actually teach in the Bible that he serves mankind. It teaches in the Bible that he serves God. They don't have a commission to serve mankind or to even share the Rainbow Covenant. They have a commission to serve God and His Torah in the land of Israel. They do that, but they're not required to. They do communicate the Noahide faith to mankind, but they're not required to. They have a requirement to serve God and Torah. Mankind's official institution is the Noahide covenant community, the Adamide Noahide covenant community of those who acknowledge the faith of the founding fathers of mankind, the patriarchs, the deciarchs, keep that faith and build their cultural and national and linguistic empire and knowledge empire and society based on that as the foundation of the faith. That's the way it really is.